calling Kohls out. This is Samantha. How may I help you today?
Hi, I was just wondering, are you guys doing the additional 50% off clearance sale?
I believe so. I think today is the last day for it.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. I will be there shortly.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Is that short enough for you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Press, and today, you heard the lady, Kohls sale, additional 50% off clearance. Today is the last day, so let's get to work. Got done with our first Kohls. Not too bad. I think we got 10 items. We'll go through all the items once we get back to the house. I feel like there's a lot of stuff gone. Today's the last day, so it's probably already been picked through for the most part, but we're still gonna hit the other two, Kohls, because they're close by. It's not like a crazy long drive. They're 15 minutes away from each other, so might as well hit the other two and see how we do. Usually with these Kohls sales, we get more profit, we get more product, but it is pretty picked through because today is the last day. So unfortunately, there's no other way to find, when the Kohls sales are happening, unless you know someone there, or option two is call every single day. I know they did one last month, so maybe they're doing one monthly now. That would be good. That would be really good for us. So we just got back to the house after the 2 hours of sourcing the local Kohls. We went to 3 stores. Only 2 of them had actual items that we wanted to buy. The third Kohls was so bad, I didn't even film it. It was completely picked clean of all of the products that I normally buy. Adidas, Under Armour, Vans, Converse, Nike. There was nothing left. Absolutely nothing left. So didn't even need to put that in the video. Didn't make sense to. So we spent 2 hours sourcing all 3 Kohls. We got a total of 18 items. That's a small Kohls run, that's for sure. You see all the other videos online, they pick up 50 plus items. We went on the last day, so I wasn't expecting too many items to be picked up. But with those 18 items that we did actually pick up, we should make $365 in profit. Not so bad. Plus, as well, this should only take about an hour to pack up and prep. So 3 hours total work to make 365 bucks does not suck. So let's get started looking at all the items. Oh, before I forget, make sure to stay to the end of the video because we're going back to Kohls tomorrow after the sale ends. They were doing a bigger promotion on Kohls Cash today. Every $50 you spent, you got a $10 certificate. So we got a total of $50 in Kohls Cash to spend tomorrow. So we're gonna go back to the store, pick up, I don't know, maybe a New Balance or a Converse, something that has a high sales rank. So let's get started. So our first item are the 3XLT Under Armour sweats. We picked these up for $17. We got 2 pairs of these in 3XLT. They should make about $7 profit. You guys know how I feel about the oversized products. I love them, they sell super fast, and they are always in demand. Moving over to the left, we got these Adidas boxers. We paid for 2 of them, $9 a piece, and for 3 of them, we paid $11. They should profit about $8 to $9 a piece. These Converse we picked up for $8. The reason why is because they are slightly used. They have a little bit of dirt and some dirt on the bottom, but that can easily be cleaned. Those will go onto eBay because they do have a super damaged box. That will be somewhat of an easy sell, profiting at least $20 to $30. We got these snow boots right here for $11. Right now they sell on Amazon for over $70. They don't sell a ton of units currently right now, but when winter rolls back around, sales should increase on those exponentially. Moving up to the top left, we got the Converse. They're called the Marshmallow Blacks. We picked them up for $18. Currently right now they sell for $80. profiting us $43, selling 217 units a month. Moving over to the right, we got the oversized clunky Vans. We picked those up for $25. That item should profit us $18.80. Moving down to the left, the New Balance we paid $17 for. Should profit us $39, selling 5,845 units a month. That should sell extremely quickly. The New Balance Dad shoes we paid $25 for, profiting us $16.38. The Dr. Scholl's we paid $17 for, selling 2,154 units a month, profiting us $17.40. The Converse over here on the left was kind of an error pickup. It may go back. I may send it back. We picked them up for $15. Right now on Amazon, they have a current price of $75. They have no reviews and no sales rank. That is usually a no buy. I don't know why I purchased it. Maybe I thought I was grabbing something else, but that item may go back. I may list it merchant fulfilled and see if we can get a sale through there. Next, we got the downshifts, Nike downshifts. This is a super solid mover. They always sell very quickly. We pay $28 for those. They sell 2,100 units a month, profiting us $22. Moving over to the Nike Gore-Tex trainers. We paid $40 for it. They sell 13 units a month. This is a bigger size, so I'm hoping this should go pretty quickly. It's a good colorway, profiting us $28. So that is our Kohls pickup, all 18 items right here. I will see you guys tomorrow as we go back to Kohls and spend our Kohls cash and hopefully find something good. We spent our Kohls cash. This is the item that we got to sell on Amazon. So our total bill for that Kohls run was $17. I also got a shirt for myself. I know you're not supposed to do that with business. You're not supposed to mix those things. I'm gonna do the books separately anyways. So I just bought a very simple Nike dry fit t-shirt. It was $7. Come on, I'm a simple guy. I like simple things. Cheap t-shirts are always the way to go. But this, oh my goodness. Let's see what the numbers look like on this, because I think they're amazing. They sell 4,520 units a month. We got this technically for $10. We'll profit $76 on this single unit. So right there alone, we gotta do the math. We gotta do the math. So our total potential profit for this episode is $441. Let's go. That makes it totally worth it going to the Kohls, even if it was the last day to get that Kohls bucks, to turn around and pick up this extra 75 buckaroonies, man. Holy smokes. Like, this is what I get excited about. Like, those little flips that make a ton. I know it's not consistent and it's not duplicatable. Like, I'm not picking up 1,000 units of this, but I still made possibly $450 in the last 2 days. So now all we got to do is pack it up, ship it in, and start seeing some sales roll in. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support as always. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. We are doing eBay, Amazon, and still a little bit of sneakers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next episode.